So take a look at our patient. The patient presents the selective loss of pain and temperature. And the pain and temperature, when we're thinking about these two, we always have to think about the anterolateral system. The one example, the most important example of this anterolateral system is the spinothalamic tract. And in here, I've got the tract in both in the green and in the pink on this diagram. So there is also another information, and this information that it's the loss of these two modalities in both hands. To understand why this information is important, we have to go to the dermatome map. And the dermatome map actually tells us that the hand is innervated by the spinal segment C6, C7, C8, which means that this loss is happening somewhere at the cervical spine, somewhere at the level of the cervical spine, lower cervical spine, to be very honest. But take a look what is happening in here. We also have to imagine that in this anterolateral system, in this case on the lateral aspect, in here we'll have fibers not only from the cervical spine, but we have fibers only also from the lower parts of the spinal cord. And take a look what would happen, what will be the consequence if there is a lesion on both sides of this pathway, on both sides. If there is a lesion of the both sides at the cervical spine, there is no transmission of the information of the pain and temperature from the lower regions, from the regions below, which means that it's impossible to transfer information about the pain and temperature from the lower cervical spine and everything what is below. Therefore, this is not correct answer. But in this case, something different has happened. In this case, in the patient, because has a damage to here, to the decussation at the level of the lower cervical spine. And because this is at the level of the decussation, apparently the patient has a loss of pain and temperature sensation on both sides, because there is a lack of transmission from these segments at the same level. Whereas at the same time, the rest of the segments below and the segments above, there is transmission is uninterrupted and can go via this pathway.